The world of aerial cinematography is about to witness a seismic shift that will make everything we've seen before look like a toy. For years, the sub-250-gram category was defined by compromise. You traded sensor size for portability or battery life for weight. But as we move deep into 2026, the leaks surrounding the DJI Mini 6 Pro suggest that DJI is no longer interested in playing by those old rules. We are looking at a machine that doesn't just iterate on the Mini 5 Pro, but effectively kills the need for a larger drone for 90% of professional creators. The whispers from the supply chain are pointing toward a 1-inch Titan sensor, a feat of engineering that seemed physically impossible just 24 months ago. Imagine having the dynamic range of a dedicated mirrorless camera tucked into a frame that fits in your jacket pocket. This isn't just about more pixels, it's about the quality of those pixels. We're talking about 6K resolution at a fluid 60 frames per second, allowing for cropping and reframing that maintains tack-sharp detail even on 4K displays. This jump in resolution is the holy grail for high-end documentary filmmakers and travel vloggers who need to travel light without sacrificing the cinematic pop that high bitrate footage provides. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The real magic, however, isn't just in the glass. It's in the brain of the aircraft. For the first time in the Mini series, we are expecting the integration of nightscape LiDAR technology. If you've ever flown a drone at blue hour or in a dense forest, you know the anxiety of the obstacle avoidance disable notification. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to use active laser scanning to map its surroundings in total darkness, creating a 3D point cloud that allows it to weave through complex environments where traditional vision sensors would go blind. This means the Active Track 7.0 system will be virtually unshakable. You could be mountain biking through a canopy of trees at dusk, and the drone will maintain a perfect cinematic lock, calculating its path thousands of times per second. Combined with the new O5 transmission system, which is slated to offer a staggering 20-kilometer range with near-zero latency. The connection between the pilot and the machine will feel more like an extension of the human eye than a remote control device. The signal penetration is expected to be so robust that flying behind urban structures or thick foliage will no longer result in the dreaded screen flicker that has plagued pilots for a decade. Let's talk about the endurance, because this is where the 2026 model truly breaks the laws of physics. Historically, hitting the 45-minute mark was considered the ceiling for a lightweight drone. However, new high-density solid-state battery cells are rumored to be the backbone of the Mini 6 Pro's power system. We are looking at flight times pushing toward 58 minutes on a single charge. In a real-world scenario, this is a game-changer. It means more time waiting for the perfect light, more orbits around a subject, and less stress about the low battery RTH warning mid-shot. When you combine an hour of flight time with a variable aperture, rumored to range from f/1.8 to f/11, the Mini 6 Pro becomes a true professional tool. You'll no longer be forced to land and swap ND filters every time the sun peeks out from behind a cloud. You can adjust your exposure mid-flight, maintaining that perfect 180-degree shutter rule for natural motion blur, all from the touch wheels on your RC Pro 3 controller. The design itself is whispered to undergo a radical refinement. To keep it under the critical 250-gram threshold while packing in a 1-inch sensor and LiDAR, DJI is reportedly using a magnesium-lithium alloy frame, the same material used in aerospace applications for its incredible strength-to-weight ratio. The arms are expected to be thinner but more rigid, reducing vibration and allowing the upgraded 3-axis gimbal to produce footage that looks like it was shot on a tripod in the sky, even in level 6 wind conditions. For the USA audience, this weight is the golden ticket. No FAA registration for recreational flyers and fewer hurdles for Part 107 professionals means you can deploy this tool anywhere, anytime, without the bureaucratic headache. The Mini 6 Pro is positioning itself as the Goldilocks of the drone world, not too big to be a burden, but far too powerful to be ignored.